Year-end woes, Nifty slumps amid rising US yields, FII exodus and fragile sentiments. Nifty is likely to end the year on a negative footing. The negative catalyst, Wall Street slumped an overnight trade on backdrop of rising US bond yields. We suspect rising US bond yields are going to act as biggest negative catalyst going forward. The US 10-year US bonds yields have spiked higher to 4.61%, the highest in 7 months. US Treasury bond yields remained elevated amidst 1. The uncertainty tied to the Federal Reserve's rate path. 2. Implications of policies on trade. 3. Immigration and taxation plan by President-elect Donald Trump. Our call of the day suggests the negative outcome could be that trouble time ahead in the month of January for Nifty and its stocks. Long story short, sentiments remain fickle. Any intraday enthusiasm is likely to fade, putting this year's Santa Claus rally at risk. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's volatile session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1893 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2174 crores. Sentiments are negative for the day. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating weakening momentum on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 13.97 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.24 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th January, is at 0.99. Nifty outlook, Nifty may end the year on a negative note indicating a tough January for the permabull scam. Nifty, CMP 23645. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,263 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,775 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,400 and 23750. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 50953. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen only at 49,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,979 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 49,700 and 50700. Bias for the day is negative. Sentiments continue to remain extremely fragile considering the headwinds and pessimism that are lurking all over Dalal Street. The unwinding of long positions at Dalal Street is not showing any signs of fatigue. The biggest negative catalyst, record exodus from the foreign institutional investors. This CY24, FIIs have net sold to the tune of 3,03,000 crores rupees. Technically speaking, Nifty continues to trade sluggish below its 200 DMA which is placed at 23,868 mark. Buzzing stocks. 1. Vodafone Idea jumped 4% in yesterday's trade after the government waived bank guarantees for past spectrum auctions. 2. Adani Enterprises jumped 7.5% on reports that the firm has entered into an agreement to sell its entire stake of about 44% in Adani Wilmar, all. The stake sale is estimated to fetch the Adani Group approximately $2.2 billion, 18,817 crore rupees, once complete.